Jackie Jackson is born. Jackie Jackson and the sound of a family legacy. Jackie Jackson. Jackie Jackson was born the 4th of May, 1951, in Gary, Indiana, and became a founding member of the Jackson 5. This is 1 Minute Museum, one powerful, positive piece of Black history. On the 4th of May, 1951, Jackie Jackson was born in Gary, Indiana. He became one of the founding voices of the Jackson 5, one of the most important family groups in music history. Jackie helped bring harmony, movement, and style to a sound that traveled from Gary, Indiana, to the entire world. The Jackson 5 gave young people a reason to dance, sing, and dream bigger. Jackie's story reminds us that every great group needs teamwork. Every voice matters. Every step matters. Every harmony matters. And when family talent comes together, it can become world history. This is 1 Minute Museum with Oren Z, where positive Black history speaks fast and lasts forever. Visit afroacademy.org for free. Supplemental Black education. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.